Hi guys, it's Gazworld here. Welcome to the channel. I'm just here at CMC Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK with this ultra special hyper naked bike which has been painted in the Kenny Roberts colour scheme, yellow and black, which is obviously an American GP rider which he won his first championship in 1978, I do believe, thanks to Google. Like I said, this is Yamaha Mt09. It's a 2021 model, however it's not been ready, so it's brand new, so it's basically a 2022 because it's same as basically a 22 model. So there you go, that's your triple engine 890cc liquid cooled double overhead cam CP3 engine. Produces 120 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM, 93 Newton meters. It's got a top speed of 145 miles an hour. Like I say, if you follow me and you subscribe, you'll see that I do close-up videos of motorcycles, so please be sure to subscribe to my channel. There you've got your ground clearance, which is 143mm. You can just see there where your window for your oil top up. LED indicators, nice air vents. Your front suspension is a 41mm inverted fork which is adjustable preload with a travel of 5.1 inch. And your front brake is a dual hydraulic ABS with a disc size of 298mm. You've got 17-inch yellow 10-spoke wheels which have been painted in the same colour. Your Bridgestone Batlax tyres. You've got the extra fly screen there, smoke fly screen. You've got your front single projector LED headlight. That's out. It's all ABS. You've got traction control, 3 different riding modes. Three and a half inch full colour TFT digital screen. Just got to give a shout out to Race Paint in Nottingham in the UK. That's painted this bike in conjunction with CMC Chesterfield. As you can see, they've done a cracking job. I'll just pan back and show you. The seat height is 825mm. Show you some of this paint. Like I said, Race Paint UK in Nottingham in the UK. They've done a brilliant job of painting this. The petrol tank, which I'm filming now, is 14 litres and the bike does approximately 49 miles to the gallon. Like I said, this is a one-off bike, so if you're interested in this bike, you're going to have to be quick and contact the sales team. I'll put a link to their website in the description. That's your rear suspension, which is a single shock adjustable preload with rebound dampening. Your rear brake is a single hydraulic disc with a disc size of 245mm. Show you these yellow wheels. LED tail light. And again LED indicators. And show you the rear suspension again. Six-speed gearbox with slipper clutch, and you've got the optional quick shifter. Show you this tank again for the paint work. That's a Kenny Roberts but GP rider, which he was American. There seems to be a lot of bikes over the years what Yamaha have made in this colour, but this one is just a special edition what CMC motorcycles in Chesterfield have had painted by Race Paint. That's your gearbox. This bike approximately weighs 189 kilograms. It's got a total length of 2090mm. If you're interested in this bike, it's 10,200 on the road. Like I say, it's been painted in these Kenny Roberts racing colours from his GP bike. That's your extra windshield there, which has been put on. That's it, 10,200 on the road. I'll put a link to Chesterfield motorcycles in the description. I don't think this bike will hang around long. I'll just show you some of their stock. What a bike this is. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I've been Gazworld, and obviously my name is Gaz, so please subscribe and follow my channel. I'll be doing plenty more walkarounds of motorcycles. Thanks for watching. Gazworld.